16th question. A sum of 700 rupees. A sum of 700 rupees. Sum means what? Sn is equal to 700 rupees. Rupees 700 used to be used to give 7 cash prizes. Number of cash prizes? Number of cash prizes. N is equal to 7. Sn is equal to 700. Two students of a school for their overall academic performances, if each prize is 20 rupees less, that means difference between two prizes. What is the difference between two prizes? Okay, is less than 20, that is nothing but what? Minus 20 rupees. Correct? Minus 20 rupees. Look here. If each price is 20 rupees less than its preceding. Less than means what? Minus. Minus 20. Difference is minus 20. Find the value of each prizes. Each of the prizes. That means first prize A is equal to question mark. Second prize A2 is equal to question mark. Third prize A3 is equal to question mark. Seventh prize A7 is equal to question mark. What we need to find out here? A value. Correct? A value. Look here. This is the common difference. What is common difference here? Minus 20 rupees. We know that Sn formula. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn value is 700 is equal to n value 7 divided by 2 in bracket 2 into a plus 7 minus 1 into d value is minus 20. Okay, if d is negative, put it in a bracket. Look here. Then 700 is equal to 7 divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus 6 plus into minus minus 6 20s are 120. This is equal to 700 is equal to 2 cancel. What is remaining here? A into 7 7a minus 2 ones are 2 60s are correct. 6 7s are 42 10 420 correct. Minus 420 to become plus 420. 700 plus 420 is equal to 7a. 1120 is equal to 7a into 7 will become divide. 1120 divided by 7 is equal to a. 7 ones are 7 6s are. Then 0 as it is. What is the answer? Therefore a is equal to 160. That means cash price of first cash price. First cash price is equal to how much? 160 rupees. And second cash price is equal to 20 rupees less 140 rupees. Then third price is equal to 120 rupees. Fourth price is equal to 100 rupees. Then fifth price 80 rupees. Sixth price 60 rupees. Then seventh price is equal to 40 rupees. This is the required solution. Check the answer. Question. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. For example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree. Section of class 2 will plant 2 trees. and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Look here. There are total 12 classes. Understood? Class 1, class 2, class 3 and so on, class 12. Each class is having how many sections? 3 sections. A, B, C. A, B, C. 5th A, 5th B, 10th A, 10th B, 10th C. 12th A, 12th B and so on. B, C. Correct? First standard student must plant 1 tree. Second standard students must plant 2 trees. Third, 3 trees. Then 12th standard, 12 trees. Correct? Okay. That means total how many batches are there? 3 batches. 3 into 12, 36 batches or sections. Correct? Okay. Number of trees planted by the students. Number of trees planted by students are in AP. Yes or no? They are in AP. That means first standard student 1 tree, second 2 tree, third standard 3 trees, 4 up to 12 trees. Right? Then number of trees planted by students are in AP. That means each section, for each section, here A is equal to 1, D is equal to A2 minus A1, 2 minus 1, D is equal to 1, AN is equal to 12, N is equal to 12 only. Correct? Number of classes, that means 12 classes. AN is also 12. What we need to find out? SN is equal to question mark. Sum of trees. Total trees planted by each of the classes. Each of the means class 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Sn is equal to formula n divided by 2 in bracket a plus an. Sn is equal to n value is 12 divided by 2 in bracket 1 plus 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 in bracket 13. 13 6 are 78. Yes, 12 is equal to 78. That means each of the classes, there are how many sections? 3 sections for each class. There are 3 sections for each class. There are 3 sections for each of the class. Therefore, total trees planted is equal to 3 into 78. This is equal to 78 trees are 24 carry to 23. 234 trees. There are total 234 trees that can be planted by the students from the class 1 to 12, each having 3 sections. One applied question. The question is, if the sum of m terms of an AP is same as that of the sum of n terms, then we need to show that m plus n term, sum of m plus n term is 0. Understood? Sum of m plus n term is 0. What is the meaning of sum of m plus n term? Sum of n terms, Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, m is equal to m divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Then yes, m plus n is equal to m plus n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Understood? What we need to prove? This term is equal to 0. M plus n term is 0. Sum of m plus n term is 0. This I need to show. I need to prove. Understood? Correct? According to question, the sum of m terms is equal to the sum of n terms. That means Sm is equal to Sn. Okay? Sum of m terms is equal to sum of n terms. Sm formula m divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Then Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? Look here. 2 ones are cancel. M into a, m a. Plus m divided by 2 in bracket m minus 1 into d. Correct? This m by 2 is common for these two things. Division to multiplication to cancel m into a. Then plus m by 2 as it is, m minus 1 into d as it is. Simple. Okay. Next, this is equal to 2 cancel, n into a, n a. This 2 is also common for this term also. Yes or no? ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಅದ ಈ 2 ಬರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸೋದು ಇದು ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ n minus 1 into d. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ m a plus m into m square into d, m square d. Look here, m into m square into d, m square divided by 2. Then plus into minus, m into d, md, m into 1, m into d, md divided by 2, md divided by 2. Simple. Correct? Look here, this is equal to na plus n into n square into d, n square d divided by 2. Plus into minus, n ones are n into d, n d divided by 2. This divided by 2. Correct? Bring all these things to the left hand side. What happens here? M a minus n a, m a minus n a plus m square d divided by 2 minus n square d divided by 2. Next, minus m d divided by 2 plus n d divided by 2 is equal to simple. Correct? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? LCM. What is the LCM here? 2 is the LCM. That means MA divided by nothing will be 1. Then 2 into MA, 2 MA minus 2 into NA, 2 NA plus m square d minus n square d, then minus md plus nd whole divided by 2 is equal to 0. Division 2, it will become multiplication. Cancel. 2a is common here. Yes or no? 2a is common. What is the value? M minus n. Next, what is common here? D plus d in bracket m square minus n square minus m plus n. Correct? ಈ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ, into d ಆಗಲಿ is equal to 0. Whole divided by 2. Next, next order 2a in bracket m minus n as it is, correct, plus d in bracket a square minus b square ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ a plus m minus n as it is plus as it is d as it is m square minus n square can be written as m plus n into m minus n minus m plus n. So minus ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ m minus common ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು is equal to 0. Look here, minus common ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಒಳಗಿದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ minus into m minus into minus plus n ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ minus is plus or plus is minus. Understood? Then what all are the common here? M minus n, m minus n, m minus n. ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Look here. What is common here? M minus n is the common thing in bracket 2a plus b. M plus n. ಇದು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 into d is equal to 0. So d ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಲ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ನಡೀತದ್ರಿ d into something ಅಂದ್ರೆ something into d ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ bracket complete. Look here, m minus n as it is common here, 2a as it is plus as it is d as it is m plus n as it is m minus n common ಇಲ್ಲಿ common ಬಂದ ಏನು ಇರ್ತದೆ multiplication m minus n ಇದರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ division ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ division ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. ಹೌದಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೌದಾ into m minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ divided by m 0 divided by m minus n 0. Understood? What is the value here? Equation number 1. What is equation number 1 here? 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. What we need to show? We need to show yes m plus n is equal to 0. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ what we need to show yes m plus n is equal to 0. The sum of m and m plus n terms is 0 ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. Therefore yes m plus n is equal to 0 we need to prove. Yes m plus n is equal to this can be written as m plus n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ s n ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರಿ n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ s m ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿ m by 2 in bracket 2a plus m minus 1 d ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿ s m plus n ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿ m plus n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. This multiplication, this whole thing division 2 it will become multiplication 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ multiplication m plus n ಅಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 2a plus m plus n plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Equation number from equation number 1 and 2 check it out. What is equation number 1? 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Then 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. That means equation number 1 is equal to equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, we can say that what we can say? Yes, m plus n is equal to 0. Hence, prove. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ ತಿಳಿತಿದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ First, what we have done here, we took Sm is equal to Sn. Sm is equal to what? M by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Just solve it in a regular manner. You will get the answer. Done. 19th question. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed, and how many logs are in the top of the row? Top row. Look here. Total number of rows. Sorry, total number of stacks. Total number of stacks. What is the total number of stacks here? Sn is equal to 200. Sum of n what? N stacks. Sum of n stacks. Sn is equal to 200. Correct. Total number of stacks. Then what is the number of stacks present in first row? Number of stacks present in first row. A1 is equal to how many? D. Total first is 20. A1 is equal to 20 what stacks. Second one, number of stacks present in second row. Second row, A2 is equal to 19. Then and so on. Number of stacks present in third row. Third row, A3 is equal to 18. Next, what we need to find out? What we need to find out? In how many rows? In how many rows? That means number of rows equal to question mark. Number of rows is equal to what? N. Number of rows. Number of rows is equal to n is equal to question. Then what we need to find out? And also how many logs are in the top row. Top means An. Correct. A1 is 20 stacks. Stacks is the marad katigigal. 20 stacks. A1 is 20 stacks. Then A2 is 19 stacks. A3 is 18 stacks. Then number of rows. Again at the top, how many stacks are there? And how many number of rows are there? Number of rows, question mark. And number of stacks present in the topmost row. That is nothing but what? A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. An is equal to question mark. That means number of rows or number of rows n is equal to question mark and number of stacks present in the nth row. Number of stacks present in the nth row. That is An is equal to question mark. Number of stacks present in the top row. An is equal to question mark. Correct. First of all, A1 you know, D. Now D is equal to common difference A2 minus A1. This is equal to 19 minus 20. This is equal to minus 1. Common difference is minus 1. First term is 20. Correct. What we need to find out? N value. You know An? Don't know. An is equal to question mark. Then Sn you know. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket. N find out na how do you find n value? Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ಹೌದಾ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು ನಾನೀಗ Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is value is 200 is equal to n divided by 2 into 2 into a value is 20 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 1. 200, okay, into 2 it will become, sorry, divided to 2 it will become into 2. ಹೌದಾ? 200 into 2 is equal to n in bracket 22 is 40 plus into minus n into 1 n minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. 200 into 2 400 is equal to n into n in bracket 40 plus 1 41 minus n. 400 is equal to n into 41 41 n minus n square it will become plus 14 will become minus 41. N square minus 41 n plus 400 is equal to 0. Multiply first and last terms. Multiplying first and last terms, you will get 400 n square. 15 16 ಅಲ್ಲ 15 16 ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 400 ಇದನ್ನ 25 16 ಬರ್ತದನ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 200s 200s 250s 225s 5 5s 5 1s 5 5s 25 into 2 2s 4 4 2s 8 8 2s 16. Add, after adding you will get what? 41, correct. Multiply, you will get what? 400. Then what we need to do here? One is 25 n, another one is 16 n. Both are minus, then only you can add them. And 25 plus 16 is 41. Big number symbol minus. Understood? Next, n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. n in bracket n minus 25 minus 16 in bracket n minus 25 is equal to 0. n minus 16 is equal to 0 and n minus 25 is equal to 0. n is equal to 16 and n is equal to 25. There are two numbers. Both are true. But what we need to find out here? an. Yes or no? an. We need to find out an. Number of rows either 16 or 25. कितने rows हैं वहाँ पे? 16 है, नहीं तो 25 है. ಎರಡನೇ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಎರಡು ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? 20 logs ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೀನು 200 logs ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 20 19 18 17 16 15 14 and so on ಅಂತ ನೀನು ಹಿಡಿತೀಯ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. 25 ನೀಟ್ 25 ನೀಟ್ 16 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ರೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ಒಳಗೆ. ಇನ್ which one is right? We need to find out first an value. Let us consider n is equal to 16. When n is equal to 16, then an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. This is equal to, what is a value? 20 plus 16 minus 1 into d value is minus 1. This is equal to 20 plus 15 in bracket minus 1. This is equal to 20 plus into minus, correct? Minus 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. an is 5. That is number of stacks present in top row. Number of stacks present in top row is 5. Number of stacks present in top row is equal to 5. Then how many number of rows are there? How many number of rows are there? 16. There are 16 number of rows. Correct? This side ನೋಡೋಣ. When n is equal to 25, an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. A value is 20 plus 25 minus 1 into minus 1. 20 plus 24 into minus 1. This is equal to 20 minus 24. Answer will be minus 4. That means there are minus 4 stacks. How many stacks? Minus 4 stacks present in the top row. Yes, jana kuntire andre minus 4 members antirana. Is it possible? Minus 4 stacks irtava. Plus value number. So this is not applicable. Not applicable. Therefore, what is the number of row here? 68. Then how many stacks present in the top row? 5 stacks. Check it out. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಯರ್ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಮೊದಲು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 20th question. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point. A bucket is placed at the starting point. At the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato. What is the distance between the bucket and the potato? First potato? 5 meter. Correct? 5 meter is the distance between the first potato and the what? Bucket. And the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart from in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes. How many potatoes? 10. N is equal to 10. Number of potatoes. Number of potatoes. Number of potatoes n is equal to 10. There are 10 potatoes in the row. A competitor starts from the bucket and pick up the nearest potato. Okay, there is a competitor who is starting from the bucket, picks up first potato. Illada competitor, correct? He will be picking up the first potato and he will be coming back. Yes or no? 5 meter plus 5 meter. How much? 10 meter. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನ ಮೊದಲು ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೋ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಂತಾನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳ ಹುಡುಗಿಯದಕ್ಕೆ she will pick up the potato and she will be putting it into the bucket. What is the distance here? 5 meter plus 5 meter 10 meter. Correct? One potato tomorrow ಎಷ್ಟು meter ಹೋಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ 10 meter. Okay, in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance of the competitor in the run? Correct? What is the total what? Distance. Total distance. They have given hint. What is the hint here? To bring first potato, what is the distance? 10 meter. Correct? 10 meter. To bring first potato, distance is equal to look here, the distances are in AP. Yes or no? Here the distances between potatoes are in AP. That means the distance to bring first potato comma distance is equal to, what is the distance here? 2 into 5 meter. Correct? 2 into 5 meter. ಹೌದಿಲ್ವಾ? First potato 5 meter plus 5 meter. 2 into 5 meter, that is 10 meter. Correct? To bring second potato, 5 plus 3 8 meter plus 8 meter. 2 into 8 meter. Correct? To bring second potato, distance is equal to 2 into 8 meter. To bring third potato, what is the distance? 11. Correct? 5 plus 3 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 11, 22. That means 2 into 11. 2 into 11 meter. Then there are how many potatoes? Total 20 potatoes. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 potatoes. So what we need to find out? Sn, total number of distance traveled by the competitor. Total distance by the competitor. Sn is equal to question mark. A is equal to, the first one A is equal to 10. Correct? Distance is in AP. Distance is in AP. That means 2 into 5, comma 2 into 8, comma 2 into 11, comma and so on. Correct? Comma ಬದಲಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Sum of total distances. Sum of distances. 2 is common here. 2 in bracket. 5 plus 8 plus 11 and so on. Correct? Okay. What is A here? What is A? 5. What is D? A2 minus A1. 8 minus 5. D is equal to 3. What is N? 10. What is Sn? Question mark. Correct? Next, Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into, okay, n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N ಎಲ್ಲದಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. Sn ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 2 into 2 common is there? Yes or no? There is 2 common. This formula applicable for these numbers. Yes or no? This formula is applicable only for these numbers. This formula. Then what we need to do? 2 into Sn. That is nothing but what? Sn is equal to, first Sn find out madanta, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 le multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Just find out the Sn value. Sn is equal to 10 divided by 2 in bracket. 2 into A is 5 plus 10 minus 1 into D. D value is 3. 2 ones are 2 5s are. This is equal to 5 in bracket. 2 5s are 10 plus 9 into 3. This is equal to 5 in bracket 10 plus 27. This is equal to 5 in bracket 37. Correct? This is equal to 175. This is Sn value. But what we need to do here? Sn is applicable only for these numbers. But we have taken 2 as common. So 2 into Sn is equal to, 2 into Sn is equal to total number of, total distance traveled by the competitor. Total distance traveled by the competitor. Total distance is equal to 2 into Sn. This is equal to 2 into 175. This is equal to 300.
So 185. Sn is equal to
185. 185. Correct. 185. 185. Answer will be 370 meter. 370 meter. Sn, that is total distance, not Sn, total distance. Sn will be 185. Total distance traveled with the competitor is 370 meter. Check it.